Let me give you some formatting details on Excel so that your 1 over U versus 1 over V graph will cut the axis. Now here I have borrowed values from a student, the 1 over U, 1 over V values. Select those and let's do a graph on it. Insert. And of course I think I need to move the recording. Alright, insert, let's go to chart. And that chart I have to move it to where you can see it. Now, if I now do the trend line, it will not cut the horizontal or vertical axis. So it is not of much use to us because we need to know where it exactly cuts the horizontal and vertical axis. So the way to tackle this is to change the horizontal and vertical axis scales. To do that, let's click on the plus sign, and I need to move the recording. Alright, let's go back again here. The plus sign. On axis, come to the right to the arrow there, and then choose more options. Now, in there, this is what you see. You get the minimum, maximum, and so on. Now, here the maximum is 0.045. Let's change that to 0.05, or even 0.06 will be okay. All right, let's change it to 0.06 and enter. And as soon as you do that, you can see your graph is adjusted to that scale. All right, now we got to go and do the same for the vertical axis. And to do that, right here we have axis options. And click on it and choose vertical value axis. And there again, we have the maximum at the moment is 0.025. Let's make it 0.06 there again. All right, 0.06. And that, when you enter, this is what you get. Now you are ready to do the trend line and allow it to cut the horizontal and vertical axis. Now, I think it is better done by inserting a line rather than doing the trend line. So let's go to Insert, and you are inserting shapes. So let's go to Shapes and choose the straight line option there. And come here and do a line. It doesn't matter if you miss it because you can always move it the way you want. Now catch hold of it on that end, and see you can do all these maneuvering. And all right, let's do that and catch hold of the other end and make sure that it is a truly trend line, and when you're satisfied, leave it there. And there you got the trend line, and you can now obtain the horizontal and vertical intercepts and now process the results. All right, do the U versus V graph in a similar way.